Do you want to prepare a delicious Italian salad quickly? Today, from the beautiful fields and vineyards of Tuscany, I'm bringing a piece of that flavor to your table, so you can impress your couple, family, or friends. And I'll help you make it quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. Using simple ingredients, the secret is in its freshness. But I have more tips for you, which I'll reveal in these 5 minutes. Let's not waste any more time. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. Panzanella in Italian means bread in big bowl or dish. Bread is an important ingredient for this recipe. That's why I recommend you to use a good rustic bread. It doesn't need to be fresh. In fact, it's better if it's slightly dried out for this recipe. You'll need 4 good slices that you'll cut into cubes of 1 inch. Set them into a large bowl to mix with the rest of the ingredients. Stir in 1/8 cup of white wine vinegar and 4/5 cup of water. Now, mix it with your hands until you have small pieces like these. Use 1 red onion, julienne. If raw onion isn't your thing, like my wifey, soak the slices in salted water for half an hour. Then add them to the bowl. 2/3 of a cup of cucumber. My favorites are the Georgian ones, but I'll use Dutch today. Peel it, then cut it in half and slice it. Then add them to the bowl. You'll need 4 ripe tomatoes. Make sure to use fresh vegetables. Don't forget to wash everything thoroughly. Chop the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add them to the bowl. A red bell pepper, optional, but adds significant flavor. Remove the nerves from the pepper and cut it into pieces. Add them to the rest of the mixture. Mix everything. Time to add some fragrant fresh basil. Add a taste. I always say the more basil, the better. Give a couple of turns, and then pour in about 1/8 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add black pepper to taste, but make sure it is freshly ground. Flake sea salt, also to your liking. You can use other types, but I recommend investing in this one, which you can use in more recipes. What's your go-to salt? Share in the comments below. We're ready to plate. Don't forget, zanella refers to a large platter. I'll use this one just for the video. Finally, garnish with sliced cherry tomatoes and a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to finish. That's all for this week. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't miss my other Italian recipes. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.